incredibly windy morning here in Mulvane, but the Festiva made it, and it even passed tech, which I was honestly a little bit worried about. I mean, I read all the requirements and I was pretty sure that this met all of them, and I really hope this microphone is picking me up. Oh, it would have been so cool if I caught that. But it passed tech. Now I just got to put numbers on it and we're good to go. We've got a new venue this year. It's this big field, and it's a real long course compared to where we were last year at a stadium. So maybe I'll actually be able to get up some speed and carry it. But honestly, if I get anything other than last place, I'll be pretty pleased. But let's take a look at what I'll be going against. It doesn't look good for me, but you know. I mean, right off the bat, it looks bad for me. We've got the best looking generation of Subaru WRX. Also, the best looking variant of the current gen Civic. I love how these coupes look. Nice color as well, and the matching brakes are awesome. We've got an NA Miata, needs a hard top to be legal. Some garbage economy car from like the 90s. What do we got over here? We have Sir Brick Esquire, my favorite gen Toyota Civic. I just love Toyota Civic. Close. Toyota Supra. Good Lord. I haven't had my coffee yet. My favorite generation. I always loved the fender flares on these, and one of the best wheel designs to ever come on a Supra. I actually autocrossed one of these once. This is definitely not a sports car, more of a Grand Tourer, which I love. 2+2s are my jam. We've got an Audi TT with a Datsun body on it, all-wheel drive, manual, swapped. Absolutely hilarious. I can't wait to see how this does. This is it's a gambler car that was brought in. Yes, God save the Queen. We have a Fiesta ST on these absolutely gnarly looking tires. I'm sure that's top time of day right there. We'll see how it compares to the stock Fiesta ST here. We have a Weeaboo. We have a 305 swapped and lowered square body S10. It's my buddy Daniel's. I absolutely love this thing. My Honda Insight's older brother, also on some super gnarly tires. I absolutely love that. The bravest man in the universe here in a 996. That is... Sir, I salute you. That's ridiculous. Of course, we got another WRX, and then we've got a Volkswagen Golf, and top time of day is actually going to go to Ryan Plord in this 97 Chevy Malibu. He is stupidly fast in this thing, and it's just completely stock. I think he occasionally threw a radiator in it when that broke this winter, but that's about it. So that's the grid. That's what I'm up against. I can't see myself honestly beating any of these cars at all. I mean, the little Festiva, it runs, but 67 horsepower and those tiny little tires is a pretty big ask against some of these cars. It's straight up Dust Bowl here. I don't know if anyone can hear any of this. Oh, my eyes. The glasses do nothing.
Copy that, Bob, on the line.
All right, we're about to go for lap 1. First time at speed in the Festiva, so we'll see how this goes. The way Rallycross works is it's not like your fastest lap, it's the additive of all your laps together. You don't get any mulligans. So I have to just not screw up, basically, and try not to roll the car as well. It feels all right so far, honestly. It feels like it's gonna understeer like a pig, though.
Furious Fiesta.
and then 96 MR, 96 MM, 10 MR. 86 MR. Yep. 67 is.
First run wasn't bad. It does understeer pretty bad though. I'll have to account for that. I ran super wide there towards the end. I don't know. It's it's hard to get a feel for this thing. Run off the course. So the secret to getting this thing around is just to take it real slow through the turnarounds, which is kind of boring, but really the only option I've got. I mean, it's a front wheel drive car. That's just kind of how you do it at rallies. Oh crap! My seatbelt broke. That kind of kills it. guess that's my my day over. What a stupid thing to break. Seatbelt, really? Ugh. Guess I'll have to look online, see if there's a way to fix a GeoTracker seatbelt retraction thing. That's a bit annoying. I mean, it was a little fiddly when I got it out of the box, but then it started working fine once I put it in the car until, well, right now. So the fun part is I get to drive all the way home with no seatbelt, so that's gonna be a fun time. Can't wait. So I'm sitting here editing this video and I realized that I never actually finished it. That's Mr. Foresight to you. So anyway, clearly with only 3 runs before my seatbelt gave out, I was dead last overall. The only person that was even remotely close to me was that CRX that snapped a steering component, as you saw towards the end there. But I thought, what if I just took everyone's first 3 runs? Where do I fall then? Well, it's slightly better. I am 5th from last. I actually beat a couple people. I beat the V8 swapped S10, apparently. I'm guessing that's just, you know, he was having more fun than actually trying to go fast those first few runs. Actually, I know that's the case. And then the NA Miata with the co-drivers, so not actually the owners, complete strangers to the car. And that bone stock 2014 Fiesta. So clearly a few issues to work out. First off, the pizza cutter's gotta go. Absolutely no fronting grip whatsoever. Car just pushes, runs wide. Absolute misery. Cannot keep up what little momentum I get. Not able to leverage how lightweight the car is. Really need better rubber. Hopefully I can get those Blizzaks on there and we'll be good to go. The other issue is, of course, the seat belt. That was a used GeoTracker seat belt. I guess old seat belts have problems, so I guess I'll have to buy a brand new seat belt. And yeah, that'll be for a later episode. But there we go, 1 rally in the bag. I had a pretty fun time, despite all of the issues and the insane wind. Not win. I didn't do any of that. There was a lot of wind, though. So check back in the future with more episodes with my dirt cheap $300 rally car, and it can only get better from here. It can't get much worse. It's already garbage. Thanks for watching.